happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow in the building, and I'm here about to talk about this bag that I got. That I was like, wait a minute, I ain't showing everybody this bag. I love this bag. This bag is awesome. All right, this is the Fieldline Pro Series, right? So let me show y'all how big this bag is. It's a little range bag. It ain't nothing that just screams out, I got a whole bunch on me, right? So let me show you this. All right, so you got this back pocket. You got spaces for all your magazines, and then of course I got mechanics sitting in there. All right, so let me show you the front pocket. Boom, got that sitting in there in the front pocket. Here's the other front pocket. All right, zip that. Got some more 9mm. Both of those are 9mm. Both of those are 9mm. So now we come down here in the middle. Here's the magazine. We got the Grim Reaper in there. Got the Grim Reaper in the bag. So I haven't even did like all my magazines and stuff, so I didn't fill it up with a lot of magazines and all that. But I figured you get the gist. You see what I'm saying? You can get a whole bunch of firepower in this bag. You put extra magazines in the bag, and of course, you fit the Grim Reaper in there. It takes forever to put that barrel on. Wish it could fit the barrel on there. There we go. Wish it could fit with the barrel on there, but it doesn't. So that fits in the bag. Plus, I probably could have got another box of 59mm in there, but this holds 24. You get 24 in there. You can get 20 in there, and that one holds 2. So 24, 20, and 2. All right there in that little bag, plus the extra 50, plus the extra magazine. So there you go right there. Fieldline Pro Series. Check that bag out. I think it works good.